Operators in Swift are used to create mathematical expression, evaluate equality, and declare value ranges. We'll be looking at using arithmetics and the compound assignment with modulo in Swift. Let's start up with arithmetic. We have different arithmetic according to BODMAS. We have the addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, brackets, off. All these are actually supported in Swift. Let's create a variable called adding. Let's add two integer values. We get to have the value. Let's do a multiply. Multiply, which is going to be the value of adding by 6. What do we have? 90. Let's do some division. We used the multiply value divided by 2. What do you have? We'll get to see the results of that. So we actually use the addition, the multiplication, the division, just like the way you have it in the basic arithmetics. You could go further to use compound assignments like plus equals to, minus equals to, multiplication equals to, and division equals to. Let's create an example of that. A variable of 40, and we could say the word let's use the multiply, not the adding. We'll add a variable. So what result are you going to get? All right. This should be an asterisk to deplete multiplication. So that means we are multiplying 40 by adding, which has a value of 15, giving 600. The same thing goes for division. The same thing goes for addition, which you could do. So now let's do some division over there. New word, divide equals to adding to the results. 40, getting back 40. So cool. Now let's get to do the modulo. The modulo simply means when you divide a figure with another figure, the remainder is what is called a modulo. The remainder is the result we expected. Now let's say a variable of overflow. Let's find a modulo of new word presently. Percent sign is what you use in depicting modulo. And I'm trying to look at what we're going to use it that's going to give us a remainder of 6. And what result are we going to have? So we're having a division of 6, which we're going to have the remainder. When you have a new word is 40 at present. 40 divided by 6, the remainder is 4. Can you see that? So that's the modulo of the new word. New word divided by 6, which is 40 divided by 6. That's going to, how many times is going to go? So the remainder is what we have as 4. So that sums us up with the Swift operators. This is just the introduction. You could manipulate it. You could do some funky things with it. You could add. You could even do some compound stuff like let's get to do some BODMAS over here. Let's mimic BODMAS. Fine. So we're going to do 3 plus 7 minus 10 at some brackets, which is going to be multiply by 4 minus 2 divide by 3. So if we should look at this, how do you think this is going to run? So it's just going to run by the rules of BODMAS. You could see it's having a 0 1 there. Now the first thing is 4 minus 2, which is 2. Division before multiplication, bracket of division, 20. Before you now divide by 3. Before you now make a subtraction. Before you now do an addition. So that's just the rule. So if you get the result of 4. So you can actually do that arithmetically. Get your pen and paper and try this. Just to get the same result. So thank you very much for hanging out with me throughout this video. And don't go anywhere. We'll be talking about strings in details.